my name is Mike. Welcome to the Backyard Machine Shop. Well, I got a little project today. We're going to replace the bearings and a little sander wheel for a neighbor. Got two little bronze bushings in it. And I'm going to take and turn them. I don't have any bronze, so I'm going to use some self-lubricating nylon 6. I've worked with this a little bit. It's good stuff. I mean, shouldn't be a problem. So, well, before we start, I want to tell you a little bit about the Monarch. It's a Monarch 10 double E. It's made in 1947. I purchased it in 2010, I think. It had been right down the road about 5 miles, and it's been in a farmer's barn for 30 years. When I seen it, I was like, oh my goodness. Didn't think I'll show a picture. I'll post a picture of it with the video. Anyway, I almost didn't get it. But for $125, I couldn't pass it up. It was worth more than that in scrap. It's a VFD conversion. The original components of the motor, and it had been eaten, all the wiring was eaten out by mice. The motor was gone. I mean, there was no saving it. I'm not sure about the generator set, but I didn't even try it. I just went ahead and made a plan to convert it to VFD. I built a jack shaft and a motor plate. It still has the back gear configuration in it. I see a lot of people that do these conversions. They'll just stick a motor in there and put a VFD on it and run it. But you got to have the back gear. I don't see it being a viable. Well, excuse me, but Monarch. That's the way Monarch does it. Monarch uses like a 7.5 horse motor or a 10 horse motor, and they just use a VFD and direct drive it. Well, I only have a 3 horse on this thing, so I needed the back gear. It wouldn't have enough power at the bottom end to do what I needed it to do. Basically, though, it works just like the original 10 double E. The only control that doesn't work the same is the speed control, and I have it mounted up here instead of on the handle here. So if you hold on a second, I'll move you a little closer and I'll give a little demonstration of it. Okay, like I said, it's a VFD conversion, 1947. And again, all the controls and functions function pretty much just like the original Monarch does. I have the back gear in it. The only thing is it's probably a little underpowered. I've got plans to build a 5 horse and get the power up on it a little bit, but really and truly I never had an issue with a 3 horse for the stuff that I do here. So, but here's how it works. You got a starter that engages the power to the VFD. Now the VFD is housed in this area where the generator was housed, and I may have a picture of that too, I'm not sure. But everything's down there nice and closed off, got plenty of ventilation, and you don't have to worry about chips getting in it. You close that chuck up and keep it from spinning off and hitting me or something. Okay, well, it starts just like this. Just like before. Speed control. That's nice. You can change speeds. saw start. Let's get a break. The electronic lead screw reverse works. Back gear. Plenty of torque. I can't. That's it's about 80 RPM. It'll go even lower. You hear the backlash in the gears. So, like I said, plenty of torque. Wide, high speed in back gear is probably 400 RPM or so. So that's pretty much it. I have the 3-jaw, 4-jaw, and here recently I've been able to obtain a Jacobs Flex collet chuck thanks to John Dunn. Thank you, John. It's been really nice having it. So there she is. Let's get on with making the part now. I got you set up where you can see what's going on. First thing we need to do is we need to change out this collet. Got a piece of high-speed steel tool. I call it the school grind because that's what they taught in school. take it out, the diameter down to where it needs to be, since there's only about 10 thousandths I need to take off of it. Then we're going to drill a hole and bore a hole in it. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to drill and bore a hole. Let's see. Perfect. Our first dimension, we need to turn this down to, turn a step down 630 thousandths, and it needs to go back 300 thousandths. So 0, 0. That's 635. Let's see. dial in 5 more. Just right. A little chamfer on it. Alright, we got them finished. Poor lighting out here, I tell you. Get them in. Nice fit. So get them to the neighbor and let them start making some more knives.